In this lesson, we're going to talk about liquid capacity, which is the type of measurement that we use. We use this every day when we're shopping, cooking, buying gasoline for our cars, and even cleaning the household. So we're going to talk about 4 different types of liquid capacity that we most frequently use, and I'll show you a little bit about them. Here's the easiest way to remember them and how they convert to one another. I always start off by drawing a big G for gallons. And what do we usually buy gallons of? Well, we usually buy gallons of gasoline for our cars, like I mentioned earlier. Sometimes we buy gallons of juice, and most frequently we buy gallons of milk. And this is what a 1-gallon bottle of milk looks like. So that's about 1 gallon if it's filled to the top. Okay, so G stands for gallon. Now, next size is quarts. And how many quarts are in a gallon? Well, how many Q's can I fit in the letter G? About 4. So how many quarts are in a gallon? 4 quarts are in a gallon. And here is a quart, right up to about that line. This is a 2-quart measuring cup, and this is about half of that, so that's 1 quart. And then to remember how many pints are in a quart, you have about 2 uppercase P's that fit in each Q. So 2 pints go in a quart. So if 2 pints fit in 1 quart, and there are 4 quarts in 1 gallon, to figure out how many pints are in a gallon, all you do is just times 2 times 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 pints inside of 1 gallon. And then the next size down, which we use a lot when we're cooking and baking, is a cup. And here's 1 cup, about to there. And each side of each pint is 2 cups, sorry. Cup. So there's 2 cups in 1 pint. So to figure out how many cups are in a gallon, you just multiply 2 cups for every pint, and there's 2 pints in each quart. So there's 4 cups in a quart, and there's 4 quarts in a gallon, so 4 times 4 is 16. So there should be 16 little C's inside of our big G. And you can use this big G and draw it, and that should remind you of how to do your conversions. 4 Q's in a G, 2 P's in a Q, and 2 C's in a P. And there's your liquid capacity conversion measurement chart right there.